Right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can really quickly and easily scrape every single follower of a certain LinkedIn page, um, and then how to enrich it, how to filter it, and basically what we did in our use case. So, our use case was I was working with a software development client who found this networking event called LDX3 that they believe to be a great place to meet the people that fit their ICP. Um, and they wanted me to find a solution of basically getting in contact with people who were attending the event. And I thought of a few ways of doing this. So obviously you could look for hashtags, so like hashtag LDX3, look for people posting about that. But the issue with that is like it only happens, people only start posting, they're going to this event maybe like a week before or a few days before. And it is really good to get in contact with those people, but those people are probably just a very small proportion of the actual total number of people going who could fit your ICP. Um, and so you're just not getting in contact with everyone that you could or who could possibly be going. So I thought a better approach of doing it. We still went after those triggers, but we wanted like a bigger campaign as well. So I thought, okay, why don't we scrape the LinkedIn followers of the company who's running the event, which is Lead Dev, and then enrich them to try and find if they fit the ICP, and then reach out to that ICP, asking that we basically saying we saw you went to we saw you're following um, the company who's hosting this event. Just wondering if you're going to London on this date. We haven't actually ran this campaign yet, so I'll do an update video when we see the results. But this is how we actually scraped the LinkedIn followers. So you use Scrapely. At the moment, it's working really well. The amount of time it took to get our list was a little bit longer than expected. It was like a few days, but the total cost was so reasonable. So for 12,000 followers with all their credentials, so like LinkedIn, link, first name, last name, job title, company website, company LinkedIn, the total order came to like $50. So really, really cost effective. Once we had that scrape, we of course went over to Clay, uploaded that into here, and then ran some quick filters on it. So we just wanted to get rid of people in North America. Obviously, there's a chance that these people might be going to the event, but it's just way less likely that they're flying over from America to go to London. So we just wanted people who have a headquarters in London because that's their ICP, and also the person is based in England. Um, and then the only other evaluation we did was a huge prompt in our AI agent. I'm not going to show the exact prompt because it's like all the details of their ICP. But that basically gave us analysis for each contact, the company, whether it fits the ICP, and then basically just said yes or no, just filtered that again here. And that gave us from that 9,000 we started with, gave us 233 very high level decision makers that possibly are going to the event that we can reach out to. And even if they're not going to the event, then it's still good to reach out to them and start a conversation because they're in our ICP. But yeah, I hope this quick video's helped you out. Basically, just use Scrapely. It's really good. And if you're interested in any outbound services, you want us to do any clay work for you or set up an outbound system for you and manage everything, then you can click the link below and book a quick discovery call with me, and we can see if we'd be a fit. But other than that, thanks for watching the video.